Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I figured I would show you guys like a quick little 5-minute makeup if I'm running to the store. Like I literally need to run to the store. I figured let me record this real quick so you guys can see what I do. I feel like a lot of people assume that I walk around with like a full face of makeup like every day, which is not the case. Especially on the weekends, I'm usually either barefaced it or I'll wear this quick little look to, you know, run a few errands. So if you guys want to see how I do this quick little 5-minute look, then make sure to stay watching. Okay, so I've already washed and moisturized my face. Of course, I always do that. So now I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal's Pro Glow Infallible Foundation. So I'm just going to use my fingers today. So I have a few little spots that I just want to cover up. And I feel this shade matches my skin pretty well, so I can get away with not putting it over my entire face, just on areas that I need, you know, to be hiding. Just gonna cover those little areas up. Some hyperpigmentation up here on my eye area that needs to be concealed a lot of the times because I don't like the way it looks. It might even be freckles, I have no idea. But the older I've got, I've noticed that that is there. A little bit of redness here in the middle. A little on my chin. This is discolored in my mustachio. Cover her up too. And just a little on my nose. You can see that literally took like 1 minute and 30 seconds to do. It'd have been faster if I wasn't talking while I was doing it. And now all those spots sort of look more even. Of course, you can still see some stuff shining through, but like I said, this is a makeup, no makeup look. It doesn't matter if that kind of stuff's showing through a little bit. It's not that big of a deal. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild. I've been loving this eyebrow pencil lately. It's been one of my favorites, and literally it's like $3. With this, I'm just gonna go in and comb my eyebrow hairs and just fill in some of the areas real quickly. I don't want to do like a whole full, you know, beat brow. I just want to color in some of the sparse areas because we're trying to do this quick. Comb the product through and up. You can see just placing that little bit of product, what big of a difference it gives me on my brows. And so, yeah, that literally took, what, 35 seconds? So I'm gonna do the other brow. Just making sure they're even. This brow tends to take a little more work than the other one. She's a little more needy. Okay, so you can see that literally what took a minute maybe to do both brows. So they are filled in. Now I have some kind of shape to my brow. Next thing I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of contour on, just a tiny bit because my face still looks all one-dimensional. Today I'm gonna be using the Milani. This is a baked bronzer. I will link it in the description box below if I can find it. So now I'm gonna just go in and just lightly put a little bit, oh that's a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that down a little. She came out strong. Okay, so just a tiny bit. To give myself a little bit of color. Okay, so next I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm not doing any eyelashes today. Of course, this is a 5-minute face. We ain't got time for all that. And I've been using a new mascara, and I was thankful enough to have this mascara sent to me by a company. It's called Aurelia. It is the 4D Silk Fiber Mascara. And I love this stuff. The packaging is super cute. They sent this to me, but the opinions on how this mascara performs are my own. It's not a paid promotion. I wish it was, but it's not paid. They just wanted me to review this mascara, and I actually really like it and figured this is a good way to showcase this mascara since, you know, I always wear lashes. Okay, so for a few specs on this mascara, it is hypoallergenic, waterproof, smudge proof, and it says it's flake proof. I haven't had any problems with anything flaking off. You know, some mascaras, you touch it or just throughout the day you have black speckles everywhere because it's flaking. This has been really, really well. I absolutely love the wand. It comes with this small rubber wand, which these types of wands seem to catch the hairs better and just gives you more of a lift. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put one on one side so you guys can see the difference in regards to how bald-headed I am and how I'm not so bald-headed after. One coat, and I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to tip my head back. My eyelashes naturally sit super straight, so I'm gonna tip my head back so you guys can see what that looks like with one coat on. I am gonna go ahead and probably do another coat because it's got fibers in it. It builds the hairs out the other eye, and then we'll get it, you know, the rest of this quick face on. Okay, so I went ahead and put about 2 coats on. I wouldn't suggest putting more than that. It gets a little spidery if you put more than 2 coats. It dries pretty quickly, and yeah, it holds my lashes up a little better, so now you can see that I actually have some lashes. And the last thing that I'm gonna do for this quick face is I'm gonna use this Bella Pierre. This is a like lip stain, and it's also like a cheek tint. So this is what it looks like. And I like this because it's a 2-in-1, so I'm just gonna put a little on my lips, just to give my lips a little color. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my cheeks, just using my fingers to sort of blend that out. You can use, you know, a sponge or anything else you want, but you know, this is just trying to be quick and easy. Just gonna use my fingers just to dab that on. Okay, so let me go ahead and take my hair down. Yeah, so now I don't look so dead. I look a little more put together, a little more presentable. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure to check the description box. I will link all the products that I used in the box below. And also make sure to check out the fiber mascara. I really, really like it. I will see you guys next time. Make sure to head over to my Instagram at MakeupMenaree for a lot of daily posts, a lot of funny throwbacks. This one of my husband and I. Yeah, just a lot more personal stuff on here. Make sure to head on over and check me out at MakeupMenaree on Instagram.